life is all about the way you respond to the situations than the situations itself. And taking that pause always helps you to better the response. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's story is basically a conversation between a daughter and a father. The daughter once walks up to the father complaining about the recent issues which she was facing with her life, particularly the school life. She mentioned that she is really tired of all the challenges which she's been facing and do not know where she's heading. It seemed like one problem gets resolved and another one pops up. So, hearing this, her father being a chef, he took her to the kitchen with an intention to give a life lesson to her. He took 3 pots filled with water and placed it on the high fire. Once this water started boiling, he took potato and placed it in the one pot, couple of eggs, placed it in another pot, and then he took some coffee beans and put it in the third pot. After 15-20 minutes of boiling, he just takes out the potato, the eggs, and pours the coffee into a mug. And he asks this daughter, what does she see? She just tells that this is potato, eggs, and coffee. Now, he further explains that the potatoes, eggs, and the coffee went through the same adversity, which is the boiling water, but all the three reacted very differently. For example, the potatoes went in very hard and tough, but then after the boiling water, it became very soft and weak. Similarly, the egg, which was fragile and with a thin layer outside, it went in and the boiling water made it strong from inside. But the coffee was unique. The coffee beans, as soon as it went inside, it completely changed the water and aroma came out. So, which one are you? He asked his daughter. Are you like the potato? Are you like the eggs? Or are you like the coffee beans, which went inside and changed the entire water and created something really new and aromatic? So, when adversity knocks the door, how do we respond? Most of the times, we react to situations rather than responding. We cannot change the situations around us, but we certainly have a choice how to respond to those. We are so busy that we are always in a hurry to react to the situation and we do not put enough thought into our response. So it's always advisable that before you address any situation, take a pause. That slight pause always helps to create that moment of awareness across your words and actions which you're going to take, which will in fact improve your decisions and positively in your life. So, life is all about the way you respond to the situations than the situations itself. And taking that pause always helps you to better the response. Thank you.